Hi traders, it's Monday afternoon, it's 5 p.m. and my name is Mark Owen from Trade and Train. So just going to give you a quick brief overview of the current state of the Forex market, and we'll also have a look at gold. Currently we're looking at the euro dollar. Now what we're seeing here is we've got our trend line, then we at the top here what you can see is effectively you've got a triple top. Here we've got commitment of traders signal short. We've got the neckline, the market's come down, it's created a new low, and what we've seen now is we've seen a close below the neckline. We're seeing a pullback into what was our reversal zone highlighted here. We're now seeing a retest of the counter trend line, and we're looking to see a measured move from where we are currently into our structure support around 120.75. So when we talk about a measured move, we're just talking about this move here having a pullback and then seeing the market repeat that same move, which you can see comes down into structure, this cycle low here. Now we're looking at 120.75 as our first point of exit if we do get this move. Ways of entering this market, well, you could do end of day trades, which should be a sell stop underneath the candle low. You could actually go into the market live if you wanted, but stops would have to go somewhere above here. Technically you could put them above the CTL, but obviously if you got a close back above that, then I'd kill the order. Other way, you could drop down the time frames and look for a change in cyclical pattern. You could also look at a CTL on the smaller time frame of this little retracement up here, a break of that to confirm the move to the downside. So the euro is looking quite nice. We've got a potential order right now. The Lifestyle Traders Club have got a live signal just gone out for sterling. What we're seeing is we're seeing a downward channel. We're seeing an ABCD pattern formation completing at 1272 structure. When we look left, structure leaves closed. We've got our seasonal long trade sat here waiting, which we would expect sort of mid-March to kick in, where we expect to see dollar weakness. But more importantly, dollar, euro and Kiwi strength through the seasonal patterns. So you can see here the one reversal area we've got. If we drop down the time frames, we've got multiple fib confluences coming in the same area. Multiple ways of looking at trading this. Obviously, if you want to know more about our trading entry techniques and management, well then obviously the simple solution there is join our trading club. Get the signal sent to you live, understand the full entry techniques and trade management, how we'll monitor this movement, and you can see exactly what we're looking at. We're looking at running this down into the 136 area. Dollar yen is producing something very similar. So we've seen double bottom neckline coming off the 105.20 area. If you look left, you'll see this comes into a little bit of structure. Might have to jump up to the weekly chart just so you can see structure to the left, which is, let's just bring it back in, sorry guys. So when we look through here, you can see the market bounced here, here and again here. So we've got a nice little bit of structure in at the 105s. Now it's a matter of looking and taking advantage of the trading opportunities that present themselves. We see the consolidation, accumulation zone. Now we've seen the momentum break to the upside. The question is this going to be a short-term move for dollar strength? If so, then we're looking at taking this first targets in around 106.50. If we're fortunate, we may be able to get a second push up to 108.50. But ultimately it looks like then that we're going to see the seasonal bearish season kick in for USD, and we'll probably see a resumption of the sell-off in dollar. Obviously I don't think the trade wars are gonna help too much with that market. Let's just flip across to the Aussie dollar. So we're looking at a 3 drives pattern here, quite simple, just looking at how the market is. Let me just bring this in a little bit more. So we're looking at this. Here's your first drive, a retracement, second drive, a weaker retracement, and then third drive into long-term support. And I'll show you this based on the weekly trend line, which is here, multiple touches running up, and we're looking for that third drive to complete on the trend line, where we'll be looking for longs. Then obviously it's down to your trading style, how you're going to look at taking advantage of these opportunities. Intraday, there's going to be potential long opportunities into structure here, and then end of day and intraday shorts back down to support, where we'll be looking at taking our not long term but mid-term move right the way back up to into the 8,000s. So there's going to be some nice trading opportunities here on the Aussie dollar. Okay, so final chart we're going to focus on will be gold when I find it. So market we're looking at is this one, and we can see downward channel from a range of 1364 down to 1300, 1295. And what we're looking at doing is we're looking at trading the top of this channel. You can see I highlighted the head and shoulders pattern. So we're looking at trading this first lower high and then taking our targets off around 1305. So let me just zoom out and in a little bit so you've got a bit more of a clearer idea of what we're doing. So we can see the cyclical patterns moving to the upside. Now we want to see, we've seen a short-term break of the CTL. Now we're looking for a pullback into the upside of this downward channel for us to sell. And we'll target these lows down here. The extension will come into structure support around 1295. So like I said, guys, it's going to be a quick market overview. We've got our live webinars tonight and every morning. If you want to be part of the Lifestyle Traders Club, where not only do you just get a brief overview, but you actually get full-time analysis, trading ideas and signals, and we cater for all, whether it's intraday or end-of-day traders. So it's called the Lifestyle Trader for a reason. You can accommodate this trading style no matter how busy you are. Okay, if you've liked the information that you've seen today, very simple, let us know by clicking like, subscribe, share and comment below. Any questions or any charts you'd like us to follow up on, please put that in the comment box below. And we look forward to seeing you over at the Lifestyle Traders Club. You know where we are, that's www.tradeandtrain.com. That's www.tradeandtrain.com. Thanks guys.